Welcome back to another edition of Things I Cook for My Family when I'm insanely busy. Tonight it is chicken burgers. In a bowl, combine ground chicken, salt and pepper, lawrys, and however much dill your heart desires. I made a separate batch for my kids without dill, and then I cook these about 10 minutes each side, depending on how thick they are. Then we'll heat up these pretzel buns. They are egg-free and delicious, and I'll make an aoili. It's mayo, lemon, minced garlic, and salt and pepper. It is not egg-free, but delicious. Now it's time to assemble. These buns do not come pre-sliced, so I made kind of a mess of that, but then we add our chicken. I like to do avocado, the aioli, and I served these with fries, and cleanup is easy. Okay, bye.